My name is Ryan Sorensen. I'm at Cottonwod Distribution. I work as the general manager here. We used to operate out of 2 different warehouses. We had 2 warehouses that held the 4,500 SKUs that we have in our building. And it was really a challenge working out of 2 facilities. For us, our goal was to get into 1 building, which we were able to do. And with Hoj's help, we were able to design a warehouse with racking and space that will allow us to bring all that inventory from the 2 different warehouses under 1 roof. We have, like I say, over 4,500 SKUs probably here in our warehouse at any given time. It rotates from summer to winter depending on what types of products that we have, as some of the products we have are seasonal. I'd say probably 90% of the products that we do have in our warehouse are year-round products that we sell every day. With the help that we got from Hoj, we were able to really maximize the capacity in our pick slots using replenishment methods to make sure that our pick lines are full, and that each night when we pick that we have plenty of product on the line so that we don't run out of product. It's been great to be here under 1 roof and to have all the product here in 1 building, and it saved us a lot of money. And with the space that we have, we're able to do probably at least twice the volume that we're doing today. So yeah, being in this new building has really helped us increase our overall efficiency, productivity, and we're really excited for the future and the opportunities ahead.